Meanwhile, the Custos of Westmoreland, Canon Hartley Perry, supports any crime reduction measure in the parish as long as the human rights of the people are respected. TVJ's Kirk Wright picks up that story.
Custos Hartley Perry is of the view that based on the level of crime and particular murders that's happening in the parish in recent times, some kind of crime reduction intervention is needed to bring about stability. He says the violence in Westmoreland has raised the level of fear among the people in the parish.
I was recently at a business place, and I heard a young man who operates the place says he was looking online to see if he can get a bulletproof vest to buy. And it only shows the extent to which persons are afraid because of the crime and violence in the parish.
Custos Hartley Canon says he supports the call for ZOSO, but with some conditions.
It's one of those things that you always have to examine and to see as it goes along whether adjustments need to be made so that human right violation we don't have.
Custos Perry says the authorities must never forget that even with the ZOSO, the only way to truly rid communities of crime is through sustained social programs and other like interventions. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.